Good morning. We are back in our farm. The last time we were here on our vegetable farm with the practical of multi-plant organic fertilizer. As you can see, we are back in the farm. The last time we were here, we show us how the farm looks like here. And this is after 2 weeks. We are back here, and you can see our vegetable. After the first application, you can see our vegetable. You can go to them, cover it a bit. So, now we are here today for the second spring, and this may be the last spring before our harvest, because in a few days we are going to start harvesting our vegetable. So, as we told us that time, this is a multi-plant organic fertilizer from Greenwood International, and as we all can see the result that we have gotten with our first practical and the progress of our vegetable farm at Ibadan, Nigeria. We will still carry us along as we proceed on the application. Now, we are steering it, and this can go in a long way for the second application. As we can see, the first application the dilution was more than this, but with this second application, we've already achieved a lot of progress, even when it comes to the growth of our vegetable. After this, before the final, before the harvest, we will still show us where we are. Now it's time. Go on with the spraying. Now we are progressing spraying multi-plant organic fertilizer. Final stage of the farm. As you can see, we really achieved great success. In 15 days, our multi-plant organic fertilizer has done wonders when it comes to and for you to know that it's due for harvest already in 15 days, and see the quality of the crop we have, and these have shows that our products, which is multi-plant organic fertilizer from Greenwood International, have already performed wonders, meaning it's much more safer, and at the same time easier, and giving us a reason to tell everyone that we have the best products. I mean the best products. You can see our organic vegetable. You can see our organic vegetable. With these results, we can go on and tell our farmers across Nigeria, across Africa, that we have the best product, one that is far, far ahead of any synthetic product can come. The result is so wonderful, so marvelous. As you can see, even the maize we just planted alongside the vegetable has really given us real results. Please, let's check out this place. Let's check out this place. See what we have achieved in 2 weeks. See what we have achieved in 2 weeks with multi-plant organic fertilizer. And we can say congratulations to all our farmers across Africa. We can say congratulations to all our farmers across Africa. Our real multi-plant organic fertilizer is really doing wonders. Real wonders. We are on the final stage on our spraying. When it comes to our farm, our vegetables will be able to achieve great success in 15 days. great success in reaching this. We encourage all our farmers across Africa, across Nigeria, to adopt the great products, the great fertilizer, the great organic fertilizer. Is a world-class product, and these have shown, our results have shown that our result is wonderful. Can you imagine? Can you imagine 2 weeks? 2 weeks, and we start harvesting this very week. This very week, we are going to start harvesting this very week. As we all can see, this is just a demonstration farm, and we have achieved so greatly. We have achieved so greatly. As a matter of fact, I could not believe my eyes when I got here this morning to see the results we have demonstrated. Thank you, Green World International. Thank you for giving us this product. Thank you for giving us the NOPF organic fertilizer to save the world from all the chemical consumption. No one that will get to this farm today that will not be happy with the result we've already gotten so far. I am delighted to say we have the real products that can save the world and save our environment. Safe to use. When it comes to economical aspect of it, we have money back guarantee. So with this result we are having now, I say congratulations to myself and all the farmers across Nigeria, across Africa, and across the globe.